Nike's Ja 3 Hustle and Flow redefines signature sneakers with a bold design rooted in Ja Morant's Memphis heritage. Inspired by grizzly claw marks across the upper, the shoe features textured overlays and hidden details that spell out Morant's name. Its mismatched color blocking in soft yellow, purple Dynasty, and Volt Tint reflects both chaos and control, while the askew swoosh placement and non-mirror designs set it apart from traditional sneakers. Drawing comparisons to the Kobe 6 Protro for its daring TPU textures, the Ja 3 balances creativity with performance energy that mirrors Morant's explosive playstyle. With official images confirming a September 5 release for $120, it has quickly been hailed as one of Nike's most inventive releases to date, blending storytelling, vibrant visuals, and signature personality into a shoe that feels both unique and expressive.